This video today is a practice on standing meditation, which is great for two reasons. The first reason is for people that get monkey mind during the day or during meditation. Standing sometimes during meditation can help break that up because standing gives a distraction to the mind. The second reason is free-flowing energy. So especially if you're like me and you sit down all day at work, you get a lot of stagnant energy in the pelvis, hips, lower back area, especially if your knees are raised above your hips. And there's a tension on the muscles of your lower back, so as pulling a little bit, overstretching all day. Being able to stand at the end of the day or go for a walk, you're allowing relaxation in that area, the letting go of the muscular tension and getting blood flow. So by standing, we can break that up. This practice helps with better posture, balance, and creation of power for martial arts. So I hope you enjoy the practice. Let's get to it. Come standing with me, standing with a straight spine. Your knees are just a light bend to them. Tailbone, lightly tuck it under, and then breathe up the spine, straightening it. Shoulders are relaxed, chin lightly down. And go ahead and close your eyes and maybe just open them just like 10% of the way, 20%. Your feet are just wherever is comfortable, about hip width apart. And we are ready to meditate. We're going to stand together for 3-minute practice. You will want to do this yourself anywhere from 3 minutes to 20 minutes on days you decide to do a standing meditation. And let us begin. Completely silent mind, focusing on your breath if need be. ahead and move your feet, move around a little. And how does your body feel doing meditation standing? I know your feet aren't asleep like they are after sitting meditation for a very long time. So let me know down below how you're feeling, and try this again tomorrow for a longer period of time. Try for 5 or 10 minutes tomorrow. So thanks for joining my practice with me.